Alright, so finishing up on the fitting of the walls, I've screwed these things in. You can see that the screws are countersunk pretty substantially, even though with this runner the drawer is going to be far enough away it'll never make contact with those screws. I did want to have those things inset just in case anything should get outside of the drawers. I don't want it to jam or bind up against these things. The other thing is worth repeating, I have not glued these in yet. That has more to do with fitting of the drawers, and so those I'm going to clamp in here shortly. I have finish on the drawer. Once the finish is applied, then I can start throwing these on. The other thing that I've done is up top, I've cut down some of the top of this piece for the alignment, and with preparation for connecting the tabletop fasteners here, I'm going to glue a piece like this in on both sides. Tabletop fastener will be connected there, and that will give me access from the underside to connect to the tabletop when everything, all the finish is applied, everything is complete. But without this, it would be difficult to attach the tabletop fastener here and here with these things kind of pushing everything out. So easy solution for this, and once you've done that, you should have full access to getting into everything you need to for drawers. Alright, thanks.